if you are attending the rally or not.
Yes, I'm having great trouble with all this because I declared myself independent very early on. I probably won't be going to the rally. I have a full schedule as usual here in Cebu, so I don't even know where it is. But to me, being independent means being above the fray. So sometimes, like I said, I go to the admin rallies. Sometimes I go to the local rallies on my own. But certainly, I have no desire to attack or defend either side. No, it's very political and parang hindi na nakakatulong eh. Kasi malaking utang na loob ko rin kahit kapatid ko ang Pangulo. Ang totoo, napakalaki ng utang na loob ko kay Presidente Duterte. Alam naman nila yan na siya ang naglibing ng tatay ko. 4 presidents went and came by. One of them was the cousin of my dad. Hindi pinapalibing yung tatay ko. And as the firstborn in the family, I felt it was my duty to finally give my father the burial that he wanted in the libingan ng mga bayani. In 2019, yung mag-amang nangampanya para sa akin. So, sumama ako sa hugpog, kaya malaking utang na loob ko rin kay Inday Sara at kay Presidente Duterte ulit. 2022, naging tandem naman sila sa unity. Ang malungkot na sinapit na hindi na sila nagkakaintindihan at nagbabanatan, talagang hirap na hirap ako, aaminin ko. It's one of the most difficult things I've ever had to do. And sabihin na lang natin, lahat siguro, na encounter yung nangyayari, na yung dalawang mahal mo sa buhay, sabihin natin, dalawang kapatid, o kaya yung magulang, at saka yung isang kapatid, o yung magbarkada na close kayo, kung nagkatampuhan yan o nag-aaway, ano bang gagawin ninyo? Hindi mo naman gagatungan, hindi mo naman sasabihin, barakan mo yung isa, hindi mo naman gagawin yun, di ba? Siyempre, mag-iintay ka na baka sakali may chance na mag-usap pa, pagdadasal mo sila, pero higit sa lahat, hindi ka magpupugunero na, sige, away muna kayo, sige, banatan mo yan. Hindi yan talaga. Pero yung masama ang loob ko sa nasapit ng unity, totoo man yun. Talagang kitang-kita naman, alanganin ako sa lahat ng mga kilos na ganyan. Ayoko kasi ng gulo eh. Ayoko ng away.